In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish products from Seller Trend to your eBay store. So firstly, you need to be in product research and then choose a product that you want to list. So let's just choose these Pokemon products. Click Add to Store in the top right-hand corner. Once we get to push the store, we need to choose the store we want to push the products to. So here's our drop-down list. That Ebenezer Muscle is my eBay account, and Seller Trend, that is the Shopify store. So select Ebenezer Muscle. At the top here, we choose the store we take the product details from. So if we can see at the bottom here, as we choose a store, the content here will change. That acts as the basis for our description. We can either use the AI generator to generate a new description for us, or we can just change the details. So if we want to use, say we want to get a different description from one of our competitors, we can click Generate using AI. This gives the option to use AI to write a different description of it. From this drop down, we can choose what we want to generate. We can either choose, we can do a title, description, and a title and description. If we want to do, in this case for eBay, I think we want to do title and description. I think in this case, it's going to do it more like a website. So you want to go in afterwards and change the eBay title to be more like an eBay title. Refer to other videos on that. If we've got certain keywords that we want to include, we can add them in this box here. If we then click generate, it will generate us a new product title and a product description. On the right-hand side, some other attributes of the item that you need to complete before you can list your product. Firstly, the selling price. You can either enter the selling prices here, or you can use the pricing rule, which is set up in another part of Seller Trend to manage the pricing. Under additional information, there's a number of settings you need to complete. These are taken from your eBay account. So there's the payment policy. The shipping policy will define how much it costs to ship your item and where you ship it to. The returns policy, you need to select a category. In this case, it'll come pre-populated with a category. You can select another one. And then if you want to, you can select a second category. But if you do that, depending on your account level, eBay may charge you for that. Finally, under additional data will be eBay custom specifics. Some eBay custom specifics are actually compulsory and you can't list without them. So be careful to fill in a section. You can, of course, go into eBay afterwards and actually just improve the listing by adding other non-compulsory custom specifics. Finally, add a fulfillment source. You can select a fulfillment source down here and it'll tell you the prices of the products. When you're ready, you can either save it to your drafts or push it to store.